Welcome to another edition of Bite-Size PD with us, the K-12 Instructional Tech Coaches with BNLT.
In today's video, we will talk about Google Keep, from taking quick notes to using it as a pedagogical documentation and much more.
So what is Google Keep? Google Keep is one of our core tools. It can be found in the waffle. If you're the type of teacher that has sticky notes all over your monitor, then you're going to like this. Not only can you virtually store all those sticky notes, you can add collaborators and apply labels for easy organization. By clicking on Take a Note, you'll see more customization options like setting reminders, changing the colors, and adding images. One of the handiest things about Keep is that it's integrated into a lot of other Google tools too. Check your side panel in Docs, Slides, or Gmail for quick and easy access.
With your school iPad, you can quickly take a picture of a student's work and have students record a short audio note explaining the reasoning or understanding. To do so, go ahead, open the Google Keep app in your iPad. In there, once you take a picture of the student's work, you can go ahead and hashtag the note with some observation, with some next steps, or you can go ahead on the bottom left of the screen, click on the plus sign, and then click on recording. Students' next steps, thank you. Now the audio will be saved with the student. Teachers can record audio for a quick reminder or to track progress with the student.
By using the Labels feature in Keep, you can organize your notes. For kinder teachers, using Keep as a pedagogical documentation tool, you may want to create labels with the names of your students and surrounding the 4 frames. This way, you can easily search for all those notes connected to that student, for example, Adele, or around that 4 frame. You can also add co-teachers as collaborators by clicking on the little person icon and typing in the name of your coworker. This way, the Keep note will appear on their Keep as well.
Google Keep can be easily integrated with Google Slides and Docs via our Google Workspace. If you're a big fan of Google Slides and want to celebrate learning with parents or staff, you can drag and drop pictures and notes easily from the side panel. For example, if you're in your Google Keep and want to celebrate learning, for example, with a certain student, you can go ahead and drag the note and it will add all the notes and pictures attached to it. If you want to combine a few Keep notes into one large document, select the notes via the web browser Keep and it will combine them into a Google Doc. This document can now be shared and edited to whomever you want. For example, if I want to select these 2 notes, I can go ahead and select them all or check them both. 1, 2. And then on top right, go ahead and click on the 3 Timbits or the 3 dots, and then go ahead and copy the Google Docs. The Google document will be generated on the bottom left of your screen. Once it's ready, you can go ahead and open the doc. And now you have your Google document with all the notes and pictures, and you can go ahead and share it with anyone you want.
Another handy feature of Google Keep is that you can scan a handwritten note in Keep and convert it to text. Check this out. From your phone or iPad, just open your Keep app, click the little image icon at the bottom, take a photo, find your list, click the circle for your photo, and use photo. Now that becomes a Keep note. From your computer, click the 3 dots and grab image text. Now if I scroll down, I can see that text that was written on my note is now in text format.
That's all for today. For more bite-sized PD videos and other resources and tools, please check our Modern Learning website found on our staff portal. Under Staff Resources, Modern Learning. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, go ahead and visit the training and support team, and don't forget to subscribe.
If you have something you'd like to see on the next Bite-Size PD, or if you're interested in making a guest appearance and sharing something awesome in a future episode, please fill out the form linked below this video, as you see here.
As always, please reach out to us if you'd like to co-plan or explore how to leverage technology in your classroom.